Realme Buds Q2. The Realme Buds Q2 is priced at 2,499 rupees, and offers a lot for the price, including active noise cancellation, touch controls, and app support. With this, Realme has pushed the boundaries of true wireless earphones, offering premium features at an affordable price. The design, app support, and specifications are all impressive for the price of the Realme Buds Q2. Sound quality is decent, and active noise cancellation combined with good passive noise isolation is effective and makes for a better listening experience. The Realme Buds Q2 is definitely among the best value for money options for less than 3,000 rupees right now, and is worth considering if you want ANC at an affordable price. Verdict: brands have been pushing the boundaries of what is possible on a budget with true wireless earphones, and the Realme Buds Q2 is impressive in that it offers active noise cancellation, touch controls, app support, good battery life, and decent sound, all for just 2,499 rupees. This is, in my opinion, the best value for money general-purpose true wireless headset you can buy right now. This price segment for true wireless earphones is exciting, with plenty of options that cover specific requirements and use cases. While the Realme Buds Q2 is an excellent pair of true wireless earphones, you might also want to consider options such as the OnePlus Buds Z for its better sound quality, or the Nokia Power Earbuds Lite for its better battery life and IPX7 water resistance. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.